Hi, welcome back to EducateTube.com. My name is Tipski, your host. I'm in Timmins right now, about 7.5 hours from Toronto, and I'll head even further north, about an hour away, to Cochrane, which is 8.5 hours from Toronto. The reason I'm driving across Ontario is because I really enjoy the car ride and turning on my music and enjoy the natural habitats that God created. It's amazing. I love the lakes. I love the rock formation. I love the trees, especially the birch tree I'm seeing. It's beautiful. And I brought with me different type of electronic equipments to film the events. So for example, I brought my Fuji film XT3 to photo the scenes and make short clips of the sceneries. I brought my Mavic Air as well, but I'm not sure if I can film today because it looked like it might be raining, but we'll see. Hopefully I can get some footage from that. I also brought my Panasonic GH4, as you can see right now I'm filming with. And as well, I brought my gimbal, which I'm not sure I'm going to be able to use because I will be visiting the polar bear natural habitat, which is in Cochrane. That's why I'm going to Cochrane. So we'll see what happened there. I might just bring my Fujifilm X-T3 without the gimbal, or my GH4, you put a gimbal on that one, and we'll see if I can film all those polar bears and everything around it. Okay, so sit back, enjoy.